1. What is the primary function of an auto level in surveying? A. Measuring angles. B. Measuring distance. C. Establishing a horizontal plane. D. Setting out curves. Answer. C. Establishing a horizontal plane. 2. What is the typical magnification power of an auto level? A. 10x. B. 20x. C. 32x. D. 40x. Answer. C. 32x. 3. Which of the following is used to level the auto level instrument? A. Tripod. B. Foot screws. C. Leveling staff. D. Telescope. Answer. B. Foot screws.
For dot, which part of the auto level helps to read the staff? A. Objective lens. B. Eyepiece. C. Bubble level. D. Horizontal circle. Answer. B. Eyepiece. 5. The auto level is primarily used in which type of surveying? A. Topographic surveying. B. Hydrographic surveying. C. Leveling. D. Mining surveying. Answer. C. Leveling. 6. Which of the following is a common error in auto leveling? A. Parallax. B. Chromatic aberration. C. Spherical aberration. D. Coma. Answer. A. Parallax.
7. What does the term collimation refer to in surveying? A. Adjusting the focus. B. Aligning the line of sight. C. Measuring angles. D. Checking the bubble level. Answer. B. Aligning the line of sight. 8. What is the main advantage of using an auto level? A. High accuracy. B. Easy of use. C. Durability. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 9. Which device is used to measure the height difference in auto leveling? A. Total station. B. Dumpy level. C. Leveling staff. D. Theodolite. Answer. C. Leveling staff.
10. What is the standard length of a leveling staff? A. 2 meters. B. 3 meters. C. 4 meters. D. 5 meters. Answer. C. 4 meters. 11. Which bubble level is used to check the horizontality of the instrument? Asterisk asterisk. Circular bubble. B. Tube bubble. C. Digital bubble. D. None of the above. Answer. Circular bubble. 12. What is the typical accuracy of an auto level? A. Plus or minus 1 mm per kilometer. B. Plus or minus 2 mm per kilometer. C. Plus or minus 3 mm per kilometer. D. Plus or minus 4 mm per kilometer. Answer. B. Plus or minus 2 mm per kilometer.
13. What is the term used for the imaginary line through the crosshairs of the auto level? A. Axis of the telescope. B. Line of sight. C. Line of collimation. D. Datum line. Answer. C. Line of collimation. 14. What is the purpose of the compensator in an auto level? A. To adjust the focus. B. To ensure horizontality. C. To measure distance. D. To rotate the telescope. Answer. B. To ensure horizontality. 15. In which unit is the height difference measured? A. Centimeters. B. Meters. C. Inches. D. Millimeters. Answer. D. Millimeters.
16. What should be done if the bubble is not centered during leveling? A. Ignore it. B. Adjust the tripod. C. Adjust the foot screws. D. Relevel the instrument. Answer. C. Adjust the foot screws. 17. What should be done if the auto level is not stable? A. Change the location. B. Adjust the tripod legs. C. Recheck the bubble level. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 18. Which type of error is eliminated by using an auto level? A. Human error. B. Instrumental error. C. Collimation error. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Collimation error.